How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro. And today I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to edit and customize your signature within Gmail. So first, I'm just going to press compose real fast to see a little example of what my current signature looks like. I have a little bold right there, got a couple things italicized, got some small text, big text. I got a link within my signature, and I also got an image down here. So what we're going to do to start this process is we're going to head up here to the top right and press a little settings symbol. We're going to press see all settings. Let me minimize this. And then this is kind of self-explanatory. Obviously, if you want an image there, you're going to have a custom image already made to be able to import it. But scroll down far enough, you're going to see a little tab that says signature. And you're able to create as many signatures as you want. And you could actually mess with them a little more. And for new emails, you could do whatever signature you want, or forwarded emails, you could actually change up your signature. It's really cool, and there's a lot of stuff you can mess with here. So right here, I'm going to walk you through what everything means inside of the signature portion. So you go and type in whatever you want. For me, I just have my name, my realtor, director of technology, my DRE number, the office's DRE number, my phone number. I have the office address. I have book an appointment with me, and there's a little calendar link. And I also have an image. Now down here, I'm going to kind of walk you through what everything is. So this is where you're going to choose your font. You don't have a wide selection of fonts here. The next thing, you have your text size between small, normal, large, and huge, bold, italicized, underline, and then you can change the background color or the text color of set items. You have your link. This is where if you want to change your link or add links. So if I click on this link, I can press change and do that there. Or if I scroll up here, I could highlight anything and I could turn that into a link. Really cool feature. You have your insert image, and then when you insert an image, you're able to click on it and you're able to change it to small, medium, large, original size. So go ahead, a little bit of customization ability there. You have your align portion, so you can pick if you want to align left, middle, right. You have your number list, so kind of like bullet points, and then you have more formatting options. You have remove formatting, so if you want to remove some stuff, you can put some quotes in there if you want to. You could. This is almost like an indentation feature right here. You can indent more, indent less. It's too much, and then once again, bulleted letters. So here you come in here, mess a lot, but there you go. That is how you create a signature in Google. If you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me or leave a comment down below. Thanks.